Hey guys, we're gonna do a sand filter change on this Hayward sand filter. It uses 300 pounds of sand, and so the first things we do is we make the head ready to take off. So we've taken off all the unions that are attached to the other equipment, like the pump and the heater. The sand filter is sitting right in the middle of that equipment. And then there's just these two screws that hold on the clamp, that hold the head multi-port valve on. Okay, so we got the clamp off. Now we're ready to pull the head off. And we'll just lay it to the side here. Now we have access to the dirty sand, and we're gonna vacuum it out through this little access hole, because the whole filter casing is all sealed plastic. Okay, so we vacuumed out all the sand, the old sand, with our wet dry shop vac. Now we're ready to pull the old lateral arm out. This customer is replacing it, so what we did was we folded all the lateral arms up, and they're going to be able to come out of the top opening. Voila! So that's what the lateral arms look like. I'll fold them back down, and these little slits in them are able to let the filtered water through, but not allow the silica sand to go through. We're about to put in our new lateral arm. Now, before we did that, we vacuumed out all the old sand, and it's really important to get every last drop, because this base has to sit right on the bottom of the filter canister, so that this measurement to where it goes into the head is very important. It's very precise. So in order for the head to seat down in this opening and seal the O-ring, has to be this distance from top to bottom. So when we put the lateral in, we're going to set it down to the bottom and then reach inside and pull the lateral arms out like that, like making a starfish. We're going to have it centered, and to keep it centered, we're going to use this tool that we made. This is off an old filter head, Hayward filter head, and it'll fit in this opening perfectly, and it'll allow us to funnel the new White Lightning sand down into the filter. This one's rated for 300 pounds, so each bag is 50 pounds, so we're going to use 6 bags of this.